Right friends, welcome back to 4th capsule. This is on Ross Sea. Before understanding where is the Ross Sea, one should understand about Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean. World has got 5 oceans. The largest one is the Pacific Ocean. The second one is Atlantic Ocean. Third one is Indian Ocean. Please look into this. The largest one is Pacific Ocean. The second largest is Atlantic Ocean. Third largest is Indian Ocean. Fourth largest is Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean. The fifth one is Arctic Ocean. This is Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean is encircling Antarctic continent. Encircling Antarctic continent right up to 60 degrees south latitude. Right up to 60 degrees south latitude. All of you are familiar with the latitudes. 0 degree latitude is equator, and if you go down south from 60 degrees latitude or 60 degrees south latitude right up to the Antarctic continent, that ocean is known as a Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean. And a small part of Antarctic Ocean, that is Deep Bay in Antarctic between Victoria Land and Mary Pirate Land, is Ross Sea. It is a small part of Antarctic Ocean, and it got its name because the British explorer James Ross explored this area in 1841, exactly 175 years ago. So this is Ross Sea. Please look into this. Abutting Antarctica continent, a small portion is Ross Sea, and it is a small portion of Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean. Right? Please look into this slide. This is just abutting Antarctica continent. And the issue about Ross Sea is it was declared as the world's largest marine protected area. So, if someone talks about the world's largest marine protected area, that is the Ross Sea. And before going ahead, please do not forget, some time back, United States of America declared an area of 5,82,000 square miles, an area of 5,82,000 square miles around Hawaii Islands. Please look into this map. Around Hawaii Islands, sometime back, United States of America declared 5,82,000 square miles of area as protected area. And now this Ross Sea was declared as the protected area, marine protected area, and this is 6 lakh square miles. So, this is larger than the area declared by United States of America around Hawaii Islands. So, this is, that is, Ross Sea is the world's largest marine protected area. And recently, CCAMLR. You may ask what is meant by CCAMLR. CCAMLR is Commission for Conservation of Antarctic Marine Living Resources. Commission for Conservation of Antarctic Marine Living Resources, with 24 nations as members along with the European Union. Its basic task is to deliberate on the establishment of marine protected areas, or you can say to take protection measures as far as marine life is concerned in Antarctic region. And this year, the commission met and a decision was taken to declare Ross Sea as marine protected area. So let us come back to our discussion about marine protected area. Ross Sea was declared as world's largest marine protected area. It has got 6 lakh square miles, or you can say 1.57 million square kilometers. And this is the Earth's most pristine marine ecosystem. And a recent meeting was held at Hobart, Australia. And you may ask what is meant by marine protected area. Marine protected areas are the areas where certain activities are limited or prohibited. Certain activities are limited or prohibited basically to meet certain conservation or habitat protection targets or objectives. And if you look at the further information, actually IUCN, which is headquartered in Gland, Switzerland, International Union for Conservation of Nature, recommends 30% of the world's oceans be protected, and Ross Sea is considered to be the last intact marine ecosystem on Earth. And basically, it lies beyond the jurisdiction of any one individual country. And why Ross Sea is so important? Please look into this slide. Why Ross Sea is so important? As I have already told you, it constitutes only minuscule part of Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean, but still it is very important because of the reason it is home to 38% of world's Adelie penguins. Please look into this slide. These are Adelie penguins, and it is home to 30% of the world's Antarctic petrels. Please look into this slide. This is about Antarctic petrels, and it is home to 6% of the world's population of Antarctic minke whales. Please look into this slide. And another important aspect is upwelling of nutrients takes place. Upwelling means from the bottom layers, the circulation of water to the top layers. From bottom layers, water will circulate to the top layers. That's why the nutrients will be carried to the top layers, and subsequently these nutrients are carried to various parts of the oceans because of currents around the world. So this sea is very important because upwelling of nutrients from deep waters are carried on with currents around the world. And another important aspect about Ross Sea is it is also home to a large number of Ross Sea krill. Please look into this slide. This is a krill, and this is a staple food for species including whales and seals. So because of all these reasons, Ross Sea is very important. And you may ask a pertinent question, what will happen now? The next step is there will be general protection as a no-take zone, and nothing can be removed, including marine life and minerals from Ross Sea area. And at the same time, there will be a ban on fishing for 35 years. And there will be special zones where fishing will be allowed only for research purposes. And finally, to conclude, it is made possible with the joint efforts of various countries, including Russia. 24 countries plus European Union are members of CCAMLR, and this is a major step before looking at other marine areas. And important aspect is it may set the road for United Nations to develop a marine biodiversity treaty. Right friends, with this let us conclude the Ross Sea. And as far as marine protection is concerned, this is the most important. Have a nice day. Thank you.